This is a faster desktop FDM 3D printer. Users can select up to 2 or 3 times the average printing speed. And it can save up to 30% of printing time on average. Aeolus Heat Dissipation System, AHDS, is a highly efficient heat dissipation system with its own uniquely developed 4-fan structure design, which can effectively cool the printing nozzle from all angles, increasing efficiency of heat dissipation by 42% to ensure its printing quality and speed. S-Move System, SMS, is a high-speed move system of LOTMAXX motors, which can ensure fast printing speed and balance in movement. LOTMAXX SC-10 SHARK is not only a faster 3D printer, but also a multi-purpose 3D printer. Laser engraving and bicolor printing add-ons can add laser engraving easily. No need for complicated recoding and testing. It is plug and engrave. And it can add bicolor printing too. It makes 3D printing much easier and more interesting. LOTMAXX SC-10 SHARK is a very easy-to-use 3D printer. It is the best choice for both beginners and professionals. 5 minutes to assemble. Supports intelligent auto leveling for easier leveling. And 8 UI languages. Its ultra-silent drive TMC2208 can decrease the printing noise dramatically. And its night mode can decrease all the key sounds and mute the filament alarm. The filament sensor can pause and resume from a stopped print from power loss, or avoid wasting molds and save more printing time. Its high quality is in its every detail. Body made from anodic oxide technology. 2 color options, space gray and deep purple. Super large printing size. High quality top power supply. Heavy current design and wide voltage design. A faster, easy to use, high quality, and multifunctional 3D printer. LOTMAXX SC-10 SHARK.